In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an invoice payment in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update a customer's balance and mark an invoice as paid so your accounts stay accurate and tidy. First, sign into your Xero organization and head to the sales area, then choose Invoices. This is where you'll see all customer invoices and their statuses. If you have a long list, use the search bar or the status filter to quickly locate the one you're working on. Open the invoice that's sitting in awaiting payment. If you see draft or awaiting approval, it means the invoice hasn't been finalized yet and can't be paid from here. Once you're on an awaiting payment invoice, you're ready to record what the customer sent. Scroll down to the record payment section near the bottom of the page. This panel is where you'll capture the details of the payment you received. Start by entering the payment date. Use the actual date the money landed in your bank account, not necessarily the date on the customer's remittance. Matching the bank statement date makes reconciliation smoother and keeps your aging reports accurate. Next, select the payment account. Choose the bank account or clearing account where the cash arrived. For example, pick your main operating bank for a direct deposit, or a cash on hand or card clearing account if you batch your deposits. Avoid using a temporary holding account unless that's part of your established process. Enter the amount paid. If the customer settled the full invoice, enter the full amount. If it's a partial payment, record just what you received. Xero will reduce the outstanding balance and keep the invoice open until the remainder is paid. Add a payment reference if needed. This could be a check number, a payment service transaction ID, or a short note from the customer's remittance. Good references make it easier to match bank feed lines and answer questions later. When everything looks right, click Record Payment. Xero will instantly update the invoice. Fully paid invoices move to paid, partial payments show the remaining balance, and the customer's account reflects the new activity. The payment will also appear for matching when your bank feed brings in the transaction, so be careful not to enter it twice. Simply match the feed line to this payment. And that's it. You've recorded an invoice payment in Xero, keeping your receivables and customer balances up to date automatically.